Yo, Rasta. Wagwan Rasta. Me there in the aya. All the settings. Hey, cool man. Everything good, you know? You remember the Empress and me tell them me that go link with the here. Empress? Yeah. You know remember the nice dark skin? Oh, yeah man, remember.
Good day. How may I take your order?
Give me one box oxtail with enough gravy.
And what may I get for you, sir?
Yo, and give the eye one plate of stew pork. Thanks. Stew pork? If you burn a lax in a Rasta, tired nothing yam stew pork. Alright, give me jerk pork then. You can't stand there, no? Me need me herby jeans. You know easy in a Rasta. Where you forget herbs from meat. Know yourself, Aya. I never left the herbs. Anyways, back to the Empress. They pull up as she gate, you know, and chain up the bicycle on the grill. As me step in, so, a master splinter that run past me pa. Agreed, Aya. Me ball out, ja! And me dey go ask the Empress if the 4 turkey they live here too. Backside Rasta. You can't ask the Empress that. You think of that one? Empress have some mosquito there. Me have to look twice higher. Nobody can't tell me I'm not drunk or them there. Why you exaggerate, sir? Exaggerate me back foot and no lie me a tell. You ever buck up some nasty girl in a Rasta? Me decide say me a give her a chance and let me go in the kitchen go sit down with her. Worst choice that me ever make. Post a see cockroach a beat out the plate like a binky there in the eye. Me just take with myself cause me now make them come live rent free in a Ilax.